Do you cook food in an induction stove? How does it work, do you know? In the current context of Nepal, this induction stove is very good. That is, it saves the domestic currency from being devalued. It is more profitable and safer than gas. Since this high-frequency induction heating is used for cooking, there is no need to be as careful. That is, there is no need to be as afraid of it as in the old heater. Infrared and induction stoves are different. But since the induction stove is cheaper than a microwave oven, it is very good to bring it home and use it, which is why we are going to briefly discuss it today. If the induction cooker is dirty, you can easily clean it by soaking it in light water or a cloth. Even if tea boils and spills, there is no need to worry. Because it does not conduct electricity. Its surface does not burn. Even if you boil water by placing paper on it, the paper will not be damaged. It does not react with aluminum pots. Because it is not a magnetic metal. Since iron is alloyed in steel pots, such pots can be used. It is not only used for cooking, it is used for other very works like welding, machinery work, to loosen nuts and bolts. Thus, its utility has become widespread. Thanks for watching.